kidney beans, carrot, coconut milk pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the kidney bean recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. It's also called kidney beans, carrot, coconut milk, vermicelli pasta. Today we are going to make kidney beans, coconut milk, vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 6 to 8 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 red chillies, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 50 grams of carrot cut into pieces, and 150 grams of vermicelli pasta, and 100 grams of kidney beans soaked overnight in water. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated and spread the oil in the pan. Put in the fennel seeds. Salt till the scent comes out of the fennel seeds. Now put in the onion pieces and the red chili. And the shallot. Salt, keep on sauteing till the onions and the shallots lose their pinkish color. Put in the garlic, the ginger, now put in the carrot pieces. Thoroughly put in the carrot pieces and thoroughly mix. Saute mix carrot. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Put in the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Mix it up. Keep on mixing. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk and mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for around 30 to 40 minutes or around 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now, after the 30 to 40 minutes of cooking, put in the vermicelli. Mix that a bit and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. Now the kidney beans, coconut milk, vermicelli pasta is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final kidney beans, coconut milk, carrot vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg pasta recipes and one of the most different of the cooking ideas. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.